Gardening. Meet my hydroponics home kit from Urban Kisan. I grow my leafies and herbs in this home kit and it uses 95% less water and hardly any space as compared to traditional home gardening. I'm right now growing a whole lot of lettuce and lots of basil because I love my pesto. I'm also growing some Indian leaves like palak, potukura, mint and coriander for my everyday cooking. I know you can grow some other veggies like zucchini, strawberries and cherry tomatoes, so can't wait till I could give that a go. Growing in this home kit is child's play really. I just have to pop some seeds into these cocoa peat pods and let them germinate in a cool, dark place, making sure the cocoa peat is slightly moist at all times. Check in on them once every 2 days, and once I see a few cute leaves, off they go into my home kit. I just have to put the pods in this pot and pop them right into the home kit. That's it. Time to sit back and watch them grow. I use the same water I drink to grow my greens, and you'll be surprised how little water this needs. To the water tank, I add some basic nutrition that the plants need, which I know how much for what type of crop thanks to the guide that comes with the kit. Once in a while, when something doesn't seem right and the plant isn't growing at its best, I just have to make sure there's enough water and nutrition for them, which I do so using this handy EC meter that also comes with the kit, or maybe sometimes there's this pest, you can't get rid of them. I know, I wish there was a solution. I just pay a little attention to them every day, say about 5 minutes, along with my matcha and hashes company, and honestly, it's one of the best ways to start my morning. Any pests I see, I pick them off, spray that area with a mix of neem oil and some mild detergent and water. If a leaf or branch is too damaged, it's best to just remove that bit completely so it doesn't spread too much. There's something very rewarding about being able to grow what you eat. It brings you so much closer to all the other little things in life and makes you so much more appreciative of everything that Mother Earth does for you. Since I've started, I know what fresh actually tastes like and how fresh food truly makes a difference to your mind and body. Not to mention how therapeutic it is to feel this kind of connection that is so very basic to us humans. And above all, it's really fun.